Hello guys, welcome to Get Glimpse channel. This is amazing. Envato's AI is now live. Make your life easier with Envato's AI. It is definitely a quick and easy tutorial on how to be able to do that. So Envato has expanded its powerful suite of creative assets with a range of AI-powered features designed to streamline workflows, spark inspiration, and democratize high-quality content creation. Now let's start by first going into Envato, by the way. So for those who don't know how to do that, just open your favorite browser. I'm in Google Chrome here, and in here, just search for Envato and press on enter. Now you have all these links, but just click on this one from the official site to dive into it. Log in into your account and create one for free if at all you hadn't done that. And here we are good to go. Envato's AI features are centered around practical applications for various creative needs. And here, as you can see, we just have the key tools. Apart from even the AI, we also have templates, video templates, and all these other features in here. But we said we are using AI. So start by clicking on Gen AI here. And these are the things you can have. These are the tools you can use. First one is VideoGen, which is powered by Google's VO2. You will find out that this VideoGen AI is not free though. You need to subscribe. But these are the ways to use it. What it does, this is a game changer for video creators. VideoGen allows you to generate hyper-realistic cinematic 5 to 10-second video clips from simple text prompts or by transforming existing images. So you can get them from Envato's library or even you can create your own AI generated image. It understands cinematic language like camera motions, pans, zooms, tilts, and shot choices. It knows the close up and wide shot. Now, how it works or how it makes your life easier. It has rapid prototyping, so quickly visualize abstract ideas or generate B-roll footage you don't have. Time saving as well. It creates high quality video in minutes. Cost effective, eliminates the need for expensive equipment, complex filming, or hiring even professionals for specific shots. Brand safe and licensed, so all generated content is commercially licensed and ready for immediate use. Another tool here is image gen, which is actually listed as the first one here. And this is what it does. It's a powerful text to image generator that transforms your descriptive prompts into unique, high quality still images. It offers various styles and allows you to refine prompts. And let me just try and create a dinosaur here in a big city and just click on generate. And you can see we have awesome images created here. And this is how it makes your life easier. It has custom visuals, so it will generate exactly the image you need for thumbnails, social media posts, web banners, or design mockups without relying solely on existing stock. It has unlimited creativity, so you can explore endless visual possibilities and create one of a kind assets tailored to your specific project. It's also fast, the way we said with the video, because it will generate image variations in seconds. Another tool here is image edit. And this is what it does. These tools allows you to quickly modify and enhance your images using simple editing commands. Features include background removal, object erasure, and upscaling. How it does life easier is it does quick retouching. It performs common image manipulations in moments without complex software. It also has perfect AI generation, which refines images generated by ImageGen or other sources to perfectly fit your vision. So it will actually correct on anything which was imperfect. We have another tool called VoiceGen, and definitely from the name, it just generates professional voiceovers from text prompts and offering a range of styles and tones. So this is how it will make your life easier. It has fast voiceovers, so create narration for explainer videos, commercials, or tutorials instantly without recording equipment or voice actors. So definitely it will cut on the cost of recording equipment. And another thing is that it offers diverse voices because you have access to multiple AI voices to find the perfect fit for your content's mood and audience. Another thing is InSpot Gen here, which pulls design inspiration from top sources across the web, curating them into mood boards. And this is how it makes your life easier. It has Combat Creative Block, which quickly finds visual inspiration and spark new ideas for any project. It will also save time by having curated design concepts presented to you. That's interesting, right? So the easier life advantage here for creators is that you have all-in-one ecosystem. So instead of subscribing to multiple standalone AI tools, you can see that AI actually gives you a comprehensive suite alongside its existing vast library of assets. You have templates in here, as you can see, you have stock footage, music, etc. This means a single affordable subscription covers virtually all your creative needs, especially if you go into the subscription plan. You are good to go. You don't have to get into other AIs or other sites, etc., to get what you want. And you have accelerated workflows. So definitely, this is AI which will automate tedious and time-consuming tasks in just seconds. It will produce high-quality video and image generations. So previously requiring significant skill or budget is now accessible to everyone, from small creators to large agencies. And another thing, advantage of Envato here is seamless integration. The AI tools are designed to work smoothly with Envato's existing library and often with popular editing software like the Envato Elements extension for Premiere Pro, which uses AI assisted search. So you also have commercial readiness. All content generated through Envato's AI features comes with commercial licenses. So this will give you peace of mind for clients for your project, advertisements, and grants projects and social media. So Envato's commitment to leveraging AI truly marks a new era for content creation, and it makes it easier, more efficient, and even more creative than ever before. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.